college here, for me, I felt like I had a lot to work on. I had a lot to, for me, I feel like I had a lot to prove pa. So, I really had to work. Pero, I don't know. Right now, alam mo, parang I'm in cloud nine. Parang sobrang calm ko at the same time very happy. And I can't explain. Basta, I'm very happy right now. Lalo na nung, syempre, hindi ko alam, napapansin pala ng teammates, yung teammates ko yung hard work na ginagawa ko sa training. So, I'm very happy.
College was not the easiest for the in terms of UP. College wasn't the easiest, right? In terms
Yeah.
of results, performances. So how big of a part was that in entering the pros na, kumbaga individually, you really had to prove a point din na you're more capable than what people see or what people have seen before?
Parang, again nga, I had that mindset na I have a lot to prove. Alam ko yung pinasok ko, alam ko yung big ng team namin, and I know I really have to learn. And I guess hinubog ako ng UP na maging matibay and just keep working hard. And I didn't know that all of that struggle, all of that hard work led to this. But again, it's a start. So I can't be too satisfied again. So I have to keep working and keep working. Kasi start pa lang eh. So,
And lastly, as your career progresses, kumbaga, what do you want to prove or how do you want people to know or remember you compared to, I guess, previous impressions that people had of you?
before, I never thought about that. But again, I feel like I'll use my line again na you just have to